Hello, everybody. So this is for Algebra 1 for the week of February 9th. And the first thing that you guys are going to be doing in this assignment is solving an inequality. So the first thing that you guys always do, the first step is always going to be undo any adding or subtracting. So here you're subtracting 87, so I'm going to add 87 to both sides. And let me go up. And you've got negative 143. So negative 143 plus 87 gives you negative 56. So you have 7x is greater than negative 56. Then the second thing you guys always do is you divide or multiply the coefficient on x to the other side. Now when I say multiply, I guess you need to be a little bit careful. How about for now, we just tell you guys that you're going to divide out the coefficient, okay? Technically what I said is correct, but I don't want to confuse you guys, so we'll just do divide the coefficient on x. Okay, so I'm going to divide, x is greater than negative 8. So that's what you put in here, x is greater than negative 8. On the number line, you go to negative 8, you click, and you drag to the right, and if you let go, it just makes a segment. You have to keep dragging to the end. I'll show you this in Delta Math to turn it into a ray. Remember, a ray is this. This is a segment. Doesn't matter if the ends are opened or closed, but it's still a segment, okay? You need a ray. The endpoint that it defaults to is closed. So what you have to do is, after you draw the ray, click on this to turn it into an open circle because it does not have the equal sign. This one or this one is open. It has the open circle. This one or this one is closed, so it has the closed circle. Okay? All right. So to show you at Delta Math, so here goes. Okay, so the first thing that you guys have to do, I guess if you want, I could pull this up so I can write on it too, is you got 67 minus 2x is greater than or equal to 61. Undo any adding or subtracting, so it's currently a positive 67, so I'm going to subtract the 67 to both sides. So I have negative 2x is greater than or equal to, so would that be negative 6? Then you have to divide the coefficient out, that was this next one, divide by negative 2. X, and remember, when you divide across an inequality with a negative number, this is what you're dividing and it's negative. It doesn't have anything to do with this number up here. It's what you're dividing by. You have to turn the inequality around. So what you'd write in here is x is less than or equal to 3. Then to graph it, you're going to click and hold on 3 and drag left. And you see how it's not an arrow yet? If I stop, it only puts a segment. You got to keep going all the way to the end. It is closed because it does have the equal sign. If it didn't have the equal sign, you would click on it to make it open. Okay, so just a matter of toggling. But you do that after you draw the ray. Okay? Okay, so since I showed you 2 of them, I'm not so sure you really need to do this third one. Okay? So that's all you guys need to do for your assignment. If I can be of any help or any service, let me know. I'd be glad to help you guys. Thank you for your